Good day, guys. Today I shall be talking about start probe with different warnings and error part 1. Okay, so this is how to solve this type of warning. So let's see the type of warning we have here. So we've already modeled the structure, so we'll assign property, maybe assign any section database to it. Okay, just pick any random one, assign. Okay, assign to view, assign. Yes. Okay, then support. And create pinned support, pinned. Okay, assign to view, assign. Okay, the next thing we do is to assign loading. So now we're only going to add the self weight in our load. So no, none, add, close, this, add self weight minus 1, add, close, assign to view, assign. So let's see the type of error we have on it. So define command, add, close, run analysis. Okay, so now we have 0 errors, 4 warning, and 0 notes. So let's see what the warnings are. So okay, so we have warnings member 2 and 50 are between the same joints, 51 and 8 are between the same joints, 52 and 14 are in between the same joints, and 53 and 20 are in between the same joints. So this is how to resolve the error. Now next thing we do is we'll come to what it's trying to tell us is that for member 2, this is member 2, member 2 and another member there are in between the same joints. So member 2 and 50 are in between the same joints. So what we have to do is to delete one. So you come to your utilities, beam 2, duplicate beams. So you merge 2 and 50 together, 1, okay, 8 and 51 together, then this together, this together. Okay, then run the analysis again and there will be no error. Okay, so 0 error, 0 warning, 0 notes. So thank you for watching today's video. Please make sure you subscribe. Thank you very much.